Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. Its origins can be traced back to statistics, but with the explosion of data in the modern world, it has evolved into a field of its own. At its core, data science involves transforming data into actionable insights. This process starts with gathering and cleaning data, which can come from a multitude of sources and can be in various formats. Once the data is prepared, it is then analyzed using various analytical methods, ranging from statistical analyses to machine learning and artificial intelligence. The results of these analyses are then interpreted and communicated, often through visualizations, to convey the findings in a manner that is easily understood. The applications of data science are numerous and span across many industries, from healthcare to finance, and from marketing to government. In healthcare, for example, data science can be used to predict disease outcomes and to personalize treatments. In finance, it can be used to detect fraudulent activities and predict market movements. And in marketing, it can be used to understand customer spending patterns and predict future behaviors. As we move forward into the future, data science will continue to play an increasingly important role in our society. With the continued advances in technology and the exponential growth of data, the opportunities for data science to make a significant impact are immense. Whether it's through improving healthcare, enhancing business operations, or informing government policies, data science has the potential to transform the way we live and work.